align to the middle, come here, center. Yes, let it be that way. So I can duplicate this for the second sample. Okay, here I might delete this. For this one, you can have 26, and here I can have 620 plus 626. You can see, and I'll just keep duplicating these same ones. I'll select both. You see, I click on this and I hold down shift and click on this. So I have both and I can duplicate both. You can see that. Let me cancel this. Let me shift down to have this. I click on this, hold down shift, you click on this, and you right click and drag or you duplicate. Control D, you can see you have to, and you move it down, you move the new one down. Okay, so you can just keep using this. This is my number one question. You can see that, and you can just, okay, they are going to look for this. So this is how we go about that for our quantitative questions. So simple. So I can edit the numbers here. Okay, this is 5, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, this is 25, this is 10, and this is 15. You can see, you can ask them to look for this, ask them to look for this. You can see, so simple. Okay, now let's move to how we made this one. So let's come here. How did we do this? So let's create extra page down here. I want to move this to another page so that we can have something easy to understand. Now, in this case, now the first example we made, we used, you can see we have this, okay, box. But in this case now we have circle that carries this. What are we going to do about that? So what you need to do is to create a circle shape and you create a text box, then you group it together. Okay, that is what we are going to do there. So let's go into that. So we do this by um, creating a circle. Come to shape, circle. Remember, to create a perfect circle you need to hold down shift. You hold down shift. Now you format that, no fill. Okay, the outline is black, and you can make your line 1.5 points. Now this circle needs to carry number. Now you go in and bring in a text box. See, you go and bring in a text box, but this time you're going to create the text box here. Okay, now let's say our number there is 10. Okay, remember to center it home. Now this text box, you come to format and remove the um fill of that number. You move the outline, no outline, and you position that in the middle. You can come to home and increase the font size. Now notice this, if I increase the font size, you can now see only one. It is 10. It's because you need to extend this. Can you see that if you extend the box, the other numbers will come out? So be mindful of that. Whenever you see a number disappearing from your text box, you should know that it means that number is more than the size you created. So you need to widen that box. Okay, so I place this here. Now I've selected the text box. You hold down shift and select the circle. I hope you can see that. Let me zoom in so you can get this right. I've selected the text box. Now I'm going to hold shift and select the circle. They are both selected. Now you group them together. group. Can you see that? Now they can both move together. You can see that. So we need three of these. So let's duplicate Ctrl and D. This one here, Ctrl and D. There's this one here. Now remaining this straight line in between. Okay. So what are we going to do? We are going to insert a line. Okay. We're going to insert a line this way. Okay. You can make this. Remember your formats. You can choose a pre-format here. You can see that. And you can also go and format the way I've been doing since. Okay, increase the width 1.5, the outline black. Okay, but it's easier for you to just choose something you are looking for just right here. Okay, now let's duplicate this, Ctrl and D, and bring that here too. Let's extend this a little. So let's group them together. Select everything to this and this. Format, group, you group them. Now they are together. Can you see that? So remember to create the your for your numbering. Okay, here, and you just, this is sample. Let me reduce the font. So this is sample, or number one or number two, whatever it is. This is sample. Bring this here. So you can duplicate this for the second sample. Okay, maybe sample 2 as well, or whatever you are comfortable with. You can edit the numbers. Can you see? You can edit the numbers. See that? You can edit the numbers. What if you have three numbers here? I've typed 100 here, but we can't see it, so just extend this and drag this inward. Don't be scared, you have grouped them together. Whatever you do, it still stays between that. So you can see how I created this my um question, so easy. Okay, and I have a lot of templates of this which you can just get from the contacts or anywhere around this video. I have a lot of templates that I can just edit the numbers different. There's so many of them, so many of them. You can see them. I have a lot of them, a lot of templates which you can just get and just edit the numbers to whatever you like. So thank you very much, and we'll see in the next